Uh, I will say if you pick any of the project and you are not sure, like you have learned Python, C++, but you don't know Java, then maybe you will get interest in Python and C++ library written code base only. But maybe some point of time you will understand this is also required. You have to learn those skills. So, and learning those skills will not be difficult if you have interest. And like if you are doing completing one task, contributing on one project, you will find that you have to write test case also. So you will understand how JUnit work, how Python testing library work. So those things you will understand step by step. It's not a big thing, and and this is internet world. You will search in Google, you will get answer. And if you don't get answer, you write write down your question in Stack Overflow or somewhere any other platform. Even you can ask in GitHub repository issue also. You will get you will surely get the answer. But the task you will be doing, you get some intense uh, feeling that you have to do it. You learn something from tutorials point that is really easy, but when you apply it and complete some task, then you should consider that you have learned that skill. So I will say learn from the very basic, do some demo and implement it in open source project. So let's say if you want to go for front end thing, you want to learn Angular. You learned Angular, but you didn't understand much the deeper knowledge. So check it out, the tutorial in tutorials point or somewhere where you can you find it easy. Like Angular.io is also have good documentation. You will learn it. But when you will implement it, you will get confidence that you learned that and you did this project. And if you commit that code, it will be forever. So yeah, so you can showcase it in your resume or anywhere, any time. Anyone if ask you if you know this technology, then you can show them. So that is the right way. Learn thing and then implement. And yeah, open source it so that you will understand if there is an issue and any other contributor will help you or let you know and improve it.
It on the basis of